Jai Hind everyone. Today we will learn about notice writing. So first of all, let us know that what is a notice? A notice is a written or printed piece of information targeted for a specific group of people. It usually covers an event, a function, general instruction, or an inauguration. There are some key points we should keep in mind while writing a notice. So the first point is the ideal length of a notice is 50 words. So only relevant points needs to be addressed. Next point is it should be present in a proper format. Next point is we should not use personal pronouns like I and we. We should write the notice in only in indirect speech or in passive voice. Now let us know about the format of the notice writing. So first of all, we write the name of the issuing authority, means name of the organization, and then name of the place. Then we write the word notice in capital bold letters. Then in the left hand side, just below notice, we mention the date of the notice, the date when the notice is being issued, and below the date of notice we write the heading. In the middle of the box we write the heading or the title of the notice, and below that, now here comes the body or the content of the letter. When the body completes, we write name, signature, and the designation of the person, the one who is issuing the notice. Now let us know that what should be there in the body of the notice. So remember to answer the 5 W's while writing the body of the notice. First, what? What is the notice about? The notice should clearly mention what is going to happen or what has already happened. Next is who the notice addressed to. Next is where is the event? We have to mention the place of the event which is going to happen or which has already happened. When is the event going to happen? The timing and the date of the event which is going to happen or which has already happened. What to do? Here the instructions are written related to the notice, that what we can do for the event or for the function. Next is whom to contact or get in touch with.